To fulfill pre-poll promise, the Narendra Modi-led government is gearing up to move ahead with plans to clean Ganga, and steps are being taken to prevent any pollution going into the holy river. Restoring ecological sanctity of the river will be the prime focus, and one of the major steps is creating awareness about the conservation of river and ensuring people's participation in the process. As part of this mission, National Dialogue on Industrial Pollution in Ganga was organized on Wednesday by National Mission for Clean Ganga in association with Central Pollution Control Board. At the meet, multiple measures were discussed with stakeholders to make River Ganga clean. Addressing the meet, Union Water Resources Minister Uma Bharti appealed to the industries to cooperate in government's mission to clean Ganga.
मेरा तो निर्णय है, मैं तो पैदा गंगा के लिए हुई हूँ और इसलिए मैं तो तय किए हूँ कि जिस दिन ये बात आएगी कि दोनों बचा सकते हैं तो मैं कहूँगी दोनों को बचाइए, और जब बात आएगी कि एक को बचाइए तो मैं तो तय किए हूँ कि माँ को बचा लीजिए।
जो 700 चिन्हित पोल्यूटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज है उनको हम कह रहे हैं कि मार्च तक आपको मोहलत दे रहे हैं, आप आपका ट्रीटमेंट सुधरो, आपकी कार्यशैली सुधरो, और नहीं होता है तो हम वहाँ आपको मैंडेट कर रहे हैं कि आपको सेंसर्स बिठाने पड़ेंगे, जिससे कि हमें पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल रूम में हमें लगातार दिखेगा कि यूनिट ए, यूनिट बी, यूनिट सी, यूनिट जेड, इसमें पोल्यूशन अभी भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है, वो मात्रा में नहीं है।
The seminar was attended by many environmentalists and industry representatives.
This requires a very careful estimation of sources and receptors. In other words, a source receptor model has to be created. कि क्या प्रदूषण का स्रोत क्या है और कहाँ ये जा रहा है, उसका ठीक से measurement होना चाहिए, and on that basis we can create this kind of a model.
Countless tanneries, chemical plants, textile mills, distilleries and hospitals contribute to the pollution of the Ganges by dumping untreated waste into it. However, so far, there hasn't been any concrete steps to tackle this. Although it may be a daunting task for government to clean Ganga, nonetheless it may not be possible. Union Water Resources Minister Uma Bharti's efforts to address the issue may be commendable. Nonetheless, it will be interesting to know if these initiatives can deliver the desired results within its deadlines. Rajesh Raj, DD News.